Assalamualaikum, good morning, have a good day. Hope you are all fine. Today I want to share with you my daily routine. Okay, it's 7 a.m. morning and it's first day. Today is the first day after too much lockdown. Today school open and I want to go school. So she slept now, but I'm going to her room and wake up her, and then she getting ready. Then I show you how I do everything and how I prepare for her everything. So stay with me. I will share you. Assalamualaikum, Anaya. Anaya Mano. She like kitty too much. Her pillow is kitty and she take also kitty with her when she sleep. Anaya, Ucho, Mano, Ucho. School nahi jana? Okay, get up. School nahi jana? Get up. Oh my god. Assalamualaikum. School jana hai? You want to go school? Okay, so wake up now. Okay, wake up now. Actually her uniform still not ready, but she wear today house cloth, but she must follow school, right? You are happy for school? Okay, love you. Where is your kitty? Who is she, Anaya?
Kitty.
Your sister? Yeah, she is Anaya, young sister. Okay, so wake up, okay? Very good girl. Okay, so for her lunch now I want to give her for school this and smiles fries because she like this and nuggets, and now she want just breakfast, she want just milk. Morning she no take anything, she always say no mama, morning I don't want to eat. Then just she eat sometime apple or sometime just drink milk. No, she want to drink just milk. Okay, her lunch box is ready. She likes chili sauce, that's why I keep that also. Too much she like. Everything is ready. Now we go to her room. Let's see, is she ready? Her water bottle. She drink a lot water. And drinking a lot water is a good habit. You must drink a lot water. Even my habit is not like this, that I drink water too much, but alhamdulillah she still he sleep. This is her lunch box. I keep this same. Okay, finish all. Okay, yes. Okay, give me this Anaya bag. Okay. Okay. So this is your water bottle. I keep outside. Okay. And I just so heavy. Okay, you drink your milk. Okay, already she finished this. Okay. Okay, read Quran. Bring hijab.
I read all the
Oh, this one.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, manillah, malike rumidin, iyaka na'budu, wa iyaka nasta'in, ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim, siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim, ghayril maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin.
So,
These
read.
are going to school. Don't beat my teacher, don't beat me.
Okay, so keep Quran here. Not there. So come here. Okay. No. You are not a child.
Then what I am?
Yeah,
Human.
yeah, my daughter. Okay, give me your hand.
Hairstyle, okay?
Good hairstyle. You are going school or fashion show?
That's all.
Fashion show. I She is ready for going to school. Yes, she is ready, alhamdulillah, for going to school. Now I'm going to drop her. Her school is very near to my building, just in front of my building, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So now I'm going to drop her, or I show you also. Okay, now. Even she no carry her bag. That one is I carry because she can't carry it. That's so heavy. Slow, slow, Anaya. Please be careful. Okay, the school is very near. In that buildings have school. So this my building just in front of my house. Like little bit walk then her school. Today this her morning routine when she getting ready for school. So inshallah we will share with you when she come back and what she do, how she disturb me, right?
Yeah, bye bye.
Too much bye bye. Inshallah you take care yourself. Bye bye. Have a good day.